If you think you have already disabled all the important privacy settings on your phone, there is one more option you should check, and it's hidden inside Google Play Services. Google Play Services is not the same as the Google Play Store. It's a system-level service that works with signals from your phone, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and nearby devices. Depending on your Android version and phone interface, this feature can have different names, including device connections, scan for nearby devices, or connection level signals. How to find it? Open Settings, then go to Google, then tap All Services. Under Connected Device and Sharing, select Devices. Now look for Scan for nearby devices and switch it off. Keep in mind that the exact name may be different on your phone. If you don't see Scan for nearby devices, look for device connections or connection level signals instead. Once you have found the option, simply turn it off. That's it. You have disabled one more setting that can affect how your phone interacts with nearby devices and signals. If you found this tip useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Smart Things for more Android tips, hidden settings, and privacy tricks. See you in the next video.